Yo, okay. So you have this letter, right? From Yennefer. Yeah, a gift and whatever. And you wanna go to the palace, royal palace in Vizima. Then you take a left. I mean, this literally says on the letter, but you know, if you don't wanna read, you go in here. And then just down here, in this chest, you have all the good shit, man. Take it. Yeah, whatever. So you can't use, I can't use this shit yet. But that's banger. 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 That one, right? Yeah, banger. Okay, yeah. Drip, drip. Swords. That's big damage. Huge damage. Look at that upgrade, yo. So yeah, definitely good chest, man. Good stuff. Yeah.